Take a ride in the 2018 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, front floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.